Michael here with GR Flooring. So one carpet fiber that we really don't talk enough about these days is wool, right? So what is wool? So obviously it's wool from sheep, right? The nice thing with it, unlike man-made fibers like polypropylene or polyester or nylon, 100% natural, right? Completely renewable, completely biodegradable, doesn't cause any issues when they're making it, like a very environmentally friendly floor. The other thing with it is that it's naturally stain resistant. You know, it's not necessarily as stain resistant as, say, a triexta or some of the stain treatments you can get in the synthetic fibers, but naturally very, very stain resistant. The next thing with it, very durable, right? So a good wool carpet, like this Godfrey Hirst line here, will last easily over 20 years with proper maintenance, and that's of course proper cleaning. You know, with a carpet, to keep your warranty, you need to get it professionally cleaned every 12 to 18 months. And that just removes the oils from our feet and all that jazz that gets actually embedded in the fibers of the wool in this case. Another benefit with it, although we never really want to think about this, but wool is naturally flame resistant. And even if you do get it hot enough for it to burn, it doesn't release any crazy toxic chemicals into the air. So if you do have a fire in your home, a wool carpet is not going to add to your respiratory issues and things that can happen with that. So cost-wise, yes, wool is more than a comparable, polyester carpet. But again, longevity, the environmentally friendly, natural stain resistance, and that flame resistance in there. Last but not least, let's talk about comfort. Wool carpet is what all the other carpets try to be, right? It's the natural, it's the OG, it's the real fiber that, again, the other lines, the other fibers more so try to emulate. It has a natural softness to it, natural toughness to it. Makes a great choice for any home.